Hey everybody, just give you a quick voiceover of my beautiful wife's makeup tutorial. Let's go. Mwah. Kiss it back to you. Okay, she's gonna do something with her eyes. She did something. It's a lot of colors. I think what she's doing right now, she's laying a layer of color, and she's probably gonna go over it with another color. Okay. Hey, yeah, her skin's so beautiful. It's so melanated. I hope y'all know what that means. And I'm not talking about the melatonin that you give your kids to go to sleep. Melanated is make your skin glow. And she's going over it with the darker shadow, making it pop. Eyebrows on fleek. She's going over it. Brushing. Those brushes look so soft. See that ring on her finger? You already know what it is. Put a ring on it. Locked it down. She's going over it. Oh. She's getting in the creases. She's doing a little colors in the creases of her eyes. Looks like a brown, almost a doo-doo brown, but it's beautiful brown nevertheless. She's going over it. Plat, 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 plat. That's what I think when she does those little taps on it. Plat, 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 plat. Ooh. I don't know what color it is, but I just want to say it's like a ruche. A beautiful ruche. Just layering it. Making it pop, and she's got lashes. Ooh, look at you. Spray. Ski. Elf. I don't know why they call it elf, but you know. She's doing some. Wow. Okay. She's rubbing it in. I don't think that's lotion. Okay. Scrub. She has such beautiful skin. I'm so jealous. Beautiful brown skin. She's chocolate. Rub it in. I guess that's supposed to make it more shiny. And then she hit it with the brush. Okay, she's blending. I believe that's what that's called, blending. A beautiful blending technique. Okay. Her nose and her forehead. She got a little forehead, but it's okay. Wow. Look at that. She's got that stuff. Kiss it. Back to you. Now, what she's doing right now, she's not, like I used to play football, and I know we used to put that stuff under our eyes and stuff. I don't think that's what she's doing. At some point, I believe she's going to blend it. She got the soft brush. My son loves playing with those. A little soft brush. She just plat, 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 plat. Every time she taps it, I'd be thinking that's the sound it makes. Just plat, 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 plat. Plat, 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 plat. I don't know how she don't get none of her eyes. That's amazing. Well, it's her passion. You know, I'm passionate about her passion. You know. Plat, 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 plat. Wow. All in her nose. Hope she ain't get no boogers on that thing. She got the MK. Okay. Ooh, something fell out. It's okay. Blow it out. I got you. Blow it out. Okay. I don't know what she's doing right now. But she got that soft thing, that little makeup thingy. Skirt. Whip the pot. Okay. And I think what she's doing right now is she's setting another type of foundation, like she's laying down a layer and then she's going to build on top of it. That's what I believe. Not 100% sure, but it is a lot of dust and particles flying off of it. Okay. Get it all around there. I always wonder if they put makeup on their neck, but anyways. Okay. Now that brush looks super soft. Wow. She's blending. She's coming back. Plat, 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 plat. She's blending some more on her jawline. Yes. You slay, girl. Ooh, woo. You see it's starting to come together. Rub it in with the makeup brush. I'm sure there's a technical term for it, but I just call it rubbing it in. She's rubbing all that stuff in. It's so cute. It's my baby right there. Got that soft thing again. My son, I be buying so many of them. My son gets them and does so much stuff with them. I have no idea what that stuff is. It's white. Okay, she got the glitter. Ooh, gold. Going around her eyes. Doing the eyes again. That purple. Look at her nails. Her nails are so pretty. They cost a lot of money too. All right. Now she's, I don't know what. Okay. Whoa. I see you. Now she's blending. Now she's going, okay, it's going away. That's so amazing how it just goes away when she wipes it in. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Makeup is coming together, girl. Got a little bit on your lips, though. Now she hitting them eyebrows. Uh-oh. I'm just so amazed how they don't get makeup in her eyes. It's just amazing.
Amazing.
Wow. Look at you, girl. Ooh, snap now. She blink, blink, blink. I don't know what that is. The NYX. Spray, 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 spray. I think that's going to hold it together, keep everything in place. Ooh, look at them lips. That's a beautiful color. It matches her sweater. Very beautiful. I believe that's a fall color or some or another. Wow, that is amazing. Look at her lips. Anyways, she putting, that's a beautiful color, you know. So she's gonna go at some point, rubbing it in. Then she's coming back with that makeup, just blending, girl. Blend it in, get it in. Ooh, she's so beautiful. She's so pretty. I'm lucky. Making sure everything's good. You see it's shiny where it needs to be. It's blended where it needs to be. Full face of makeup. Looks beautiful. Looks great. Ooh, look at the hair. Hair is expensive too. That's a good video. Well, I appreciate you guys. Vince Ross signing out. Bye.